Hey guys, SC Survival here. Today I wanted to do a quick squirrel hunt video with the Benelli M2. We have a 4-shot shell extension on it. Out here hunting some squirrels, have some number 7 shot in here. So let's go. I'll come back to you in a minute whenever I kill a squirrel. Hey guys, SC Survival here. Today I'm squirrel hunting with the Benelli M2. The squirrel just went off. Right there. Let me get closer to him, because I am going to kill him. Sorry guys for the video quality right now. Alright, there he is. Zooming in on him right now. I'm about to pop his butt with the Benelli M2. Alright, enjoy. Dead squirrel. Let's move up and claim our prize. Shot him up in this tree. One shot, he was gone. Sorry for the video, guys. Like the shakiness and stuff. There he is. Let's see if you can see him. Right there. Let's go get him. Hey guys, so there's the squirrel that I just killed. It is a female. Pellets hit it in the head. Alright, so that's one down. Let's put this right in my pocket. I killed it with the Benelli M2. Guys, here's another squirrel. About to pop. And there he is. Right there on the ground. Dead squirrel. Let's go check him out. He's twitching because it was a pretty far shot for a shotgun. Let's see. Head this way. Excuse me guys. I'm heading through little woods here with the camera with the tripod on it, so it ain't that fun. I have seen tons of squirrels today, but only a couple have stood still enough for me to put the camera on them and shoot them. Very nice squirrel. I'm gonna put my gun against this tree. And there's the Benelli M2. Holding his beauty right there. And I saw the squirrel. Hey guys, I'm popping another squirrel today. Alright, so let's go recover it. I think I may have to put another shot in it. Oh yeah, it's right there on the tree. Yeah, I'm putting another shot on it. Alright. His deadish is wobbling. Alright. So that's the third squirrel of the day. And there's still 4 or 5 around me, so let's go check the squirrel out. And guys, sometimes with shotguns, you're gonna hit them hard, but they're still gonna be twitching. Because shotguns from, that was about 25 yards, it's gonna drop them, but their nerves are gonna go crazy. So, this is a very humane kill. I shot it twice. I know some people may think it's not humane, but I shot it twice. A quick follow-up. Because I must have hit it kind of low first time. Because it moved right when I shot. So let's see. There it is. Nice big old squirrel. Alright, so. There were several squirrels moving when I shot that squirrel on these ponds up here. Let's see if I see him real quick. I can set up another kill shot for us. And if you can hear that noise right there that just went, that's a woodpecker. It's illegal to shoot those in North America. So if you're ever wondering, or if your son's wondering if he can shoot the woodpecker in his yard, tell him a big fat no, because if y'all ever get caught with that, y'all get fined and possibly some prison time. Cause there's something in this tree right here. Alright guys, well, let's go check out this squirrel. And then if I see another squirrel, I'll come back to you. Alright, so there's the squirrel right there that I killed. It is another female. Killed it with the Benelli M2. This is a great gun. Hey guys, SC Survivor here. Here's another squirrel. Yo! Yes, sir. Alright guys, let's go check out that squirrel real quick. So I've been working with somebody out here at the hunting club all day today. Alright, so let's go check out the squirrel. Excuse me guys, I'm going through some woods right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go. I found it, guys. Alright, score number 4. Killed with the Benelli M2. And this feels like it's pregnant. It's a girl.
Hey guys, SC Survivor here. Today I'm just doing the concluding clip of our squirrel hunting video with the Benelli M2. That's a wonderful gun right there. I've killed several deer with it, and now quite a lot of squirrels. Killed 5. I saw about 10 today, but since I was just working alone, I had to set up the tripod and everything for the kill shot. So you had to set up the tripod right over there for the kill shot every time, and it got tough after a while. And I know there's 4 squirrels killed in the video. This one right here came out in such a hurry and honestly was running through the trees, and I wanted to kill 5 squirrels to end the day, so I popped that to finish it off. And it's a female, so today I killed, let's see, 4 females and 1 male, that being the only male. Now I know this can be a little bit graphic for people, but this is hunting. The meat on your plate that you're eating was bleeding at one point. And all these dropped dead except for this one, I believe. That's that one when it was on the pine tree that went back up, and that weird noise was in the background. That was actually another squirrel in distress, because there was 2 in right beside each other, and usually whenever you shoot, that other one gets into panic mode. But this is the only one where I had to put a follow-up shot while I was on the ground. The Benelli M2 is a fabulous gun. I love it. It's great. I can't ask for anything better from Benelli. It was about $1,200, $1,300. Put a 4 shell extension on it. Just showing you all the different squirrels. And I'm trying to get more hunting videos on our channel, since you know it is called SC Survival and Hunting. And so this is the first. I'm glad I got a couple kill shots here and there. If I wasn't hunting by myself with the camera, I probably could have killed 10 to 12 squirrels today. But that's alright, and I will have a review of this gun where I show you the specs, how to load it, probably how to take the choke out, and then just shooting around with it to show the accuracy. But as you can tell, there's some pretty good accuracy with it. Alright guys, so this is SC Survival. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I think we're going to be doing something for our 50th subscriber or 75th subscriber. So stay tuned into that and watch all our videos. Thanks and bye.